Shaq is putting on a show. He is putting on a show.
Shaq will be sharing the center spotlight with another of the game's giants, Hakeem Olajuwon, the man of a million moves.
Nice pass to Hakeem. Get it down to Hakeem, baseline move. Oh, Olajuwon.
For Olajuwon, a spot on the Olympic team seems to be a perfect fit.
They call Hakeem the dream, but to defend him is a nightmare.
I think it's just it's so natural, you know, my nickname and also to be on a dream team. That is truly a dream for me.
A native of Nigeria, Olajuwon's dream of representing his adopted country once seemed out of reach. But in 1995, 2 years after becoming a U.S. citizen, Hakeem was allowed to compete as an American in international competition.
Because of the rules, that dream was kind of lost for a while. So this was just another example to have faith, not to lose hope.
Olajuwon's remarkable career has been a study in faith and perseverance. He needed both in the 1994 NBA playoffs when the Rockets repeatedly had their backs against the wall. But Hakeem's determination carried his team to the top.
Easily gets away from Lewis. And the foul. He has been unstoppable.
And the Houston Rockets, led by Hakeem Olajuwon, are the world champions of 1994. Took them 10 years, but Hakeem finally has won the big one.
Looking to do it all over again the next year, Houston defied the odds and returned to the finals. Going head-to-head against Shaq and the Orlando Magic, Hakeem was again remarkable.
The big men have battled here tonight.
Olajuwon. Beautiful move.
He puts it up, under him off, getting in, getting in by Hakeem.
The Houston Rockets won their second consecutive NBA championship.
A lot of things enter into winning a championship, but I without a doubt think he's carried that team both years.
If I have to sum up Hakeem's performance, I'd have to say it's legendary. It's something that people will talk about for many years and is something I'll remember for the rest of my life.
Hakeem has secured his place among the game's legends and is now aiming for even greater glory.
To be selected as one of the players to represent the United States, that's a big honor. I feel so honored and so proud to be wearing the uniform.
The third member of the Big Three, David Robinson, will be representing his country for the third